Have you been to Highline before in Manhattan? It used to be a railroad track that is elevated. They turned it into a park. From end to end, it's about a mile and a half. If you haven't been before, I hope that you join me. I've done it round trip. It took me about 30 minutes and I was almost sprinting the normal way I walk. But I'm gonna speed it up really fast the entire way. Now that you're watching it, it's less than 5 minutes. So I hope you enjoy. As always, I know that you could have clicked on any other video 5 minutes ago, and now that you're still here, I want to express my appreciation to you. If you like my vibe, I hope that you subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.